What's up, LC fam? It's your boy Lee back with y'all with another divorce court reaction. Before I get into this episode, if any of you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and that post notification button to that vibrating symbol so each and every one of you can be notified every time I upload a new reaction video. So again, I do not own the rights of this episode. And the title says Bright versus Benson. Who's that stalking in my window? Who's that creeping in my window? So give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. And let me know. Spam up the comments and let me know how you guys feel about this case.
Today on Divorce Court.
I'm here today at Divorce Court because my husband is a stalker and I would like a divorce today.
The biggest issue in my marriage right now is infidelity.
Charlie, I want you to stop calling me hundreds of times, stop texting me millions of times, stop being aggravating.
Walk, I want you to know, I'm tired of the games, tired of the infidelity, I'm tired of the trust issues.
I want the judge to tell Charlie to just leave me alone and to move on.
I want the judge to tell the Walker to be honest and show some form of accountability.
Charlie, I want out of this marriage because you do not trust me, and I'm tired. I'm over it.
Divorce Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Lynn Toller presiding.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here with Dwaka Bright and Charlie Baisden. The two of you have been together for 9 years, married for 8. You have 2 children total each, but only one together.
Correct.
Correct?
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
Ms. Bright, I'm gonna start with you. Why don't you tell me a little bit about your marriage and why we're here in divorce court today?
We're here in divorce court today because my husband, he's a stalker.
A stalker.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how is he stalking you?
For example, let's just give one.
Okay.
Just recently, I was at my friend girl's house, and by the time I looked at my phone, he had called me probably 100 times, sent a picture of the front of the house, and told me to come out.
Sent a picture of the front of the house that you were in?
Yes, ma'am.
And sent it to you and said, come on out, because I know you in there.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Baisden, did that happen?
Fabrication.
What really happened, Mr. Baisden?
Okay, let's just
Not
start from the
fabrication.
top. The stalking. I was in my bed. You know. Friend girl, no. It was a dude. That's what really happened. Did I call 106 times? Maybe 107. Probably did. But I was trying to get my daughter. I had prior arrangements to get her when she got out of work.
At 5 a.m.?
Hang on. Go ahead.
Hold on. I had prior arrangements to get my daughter. So she got out of work at 8. 8 came, 8:30, 9:30, 10 came. I FaceTimed her, what's up? I seen she was in the area that don't look like work or her house. All of a sudden, still in the fades, we don't get no phone calls no more. So yeah, I'm gonna keep calling because I'm trying to check on the welfare of my child. Yeah, of course.
Were you supposed to transfer custody at that moment and you didn't show up when you were supposed to?
Absolutely not, Your Honor. My daughter has a cell phone. He could have easily called her.
Does your daughter have a cell phone?
Yes, she has a
Why
cell
didn't you
phone.
call her?
Phone's dead.
Tell me what other ways you think he stalks you.
Well, just recently, we had Hurricane Michael just hit.
Right.
And my godbrother, he was the only one with power. So, of course, I walked over there, me and my daughter, and plugged my phone up, ate, showered,
Right.
just enjoyed the cool air because it was so hot. And he calls me and he says, come out. I know you're on this street and I know exactly where you are. Get my child, you get away from him.
Mr. Baisden, did that occur?
Fabrication.
Well, what actually happened, according to you?
Not the guy using the big words. Fabrication.
Okay, so listen. Yes, we had a hurricane. Yes, we was out of power. I think she was out of power like 3 days. I was out like 8 days. All that is true. However, there's no such thing as a God brother. Like either that's your brother or it's not. There's no, where's the God in it? There's only
Right.
one God. So I don't know. If you kin to God and that's your brother, that's your God brother then. But no, so.
Wasn't But your two are separated, correct?
I didn't know anything about the separate. I mean, we didn't. I don't know
Well, if
anything
you were
about it.
calling to exchange custody, how could you be together?
I mean, we was not too much exchanging custody. She just went to a birthday party, and she had to work. So instead of going over her grandma's house, and I didn't have to work that night, I said, I'm gonna go and check out for her. I'll get her, and I keep her these 2 days and take her to school when I go back to work. To give you a little break, you know? Yeah. Didn't work like
Not
that.
sure what's going on.
Your Honor, may I speak? He does that. He goes in circles and he makes you think you're crazy when in actuality, that's not the truth.
You said in your paperwork, though, you know, I do these things, but it's not stalking because she's my wife.
Listen, to me personally, I think stalking is, look, I don't know you're looking at me. Hey, I'm over here. I didn't know. If I'm telling you, look, I'm right by the mailbox waving my hand at you, that's not stalking.
You just making yourself known.
I'm here.
You just making yourself known.
He makes himself known once I walk out the door, like surprise, like, oh, he scared me.
You know?
What
'Cause
did
I
he
don't
do?
know when
Did
he
he ever
comes
come? My understanding is he's come up to your workplace and harassed you there. Tell me about that.
Oh, he's done sat in the parking lot. He done came and sat in the inside at my job. Like, he's very insecure and jealous.
Do you go sit around
Listen,
at her job?
Your Honor, I have been to her job twice. She does taxes. The first time, she did my taxes. Second time, I'm picking her up. I have 2 jobs. I have no time to sit here and look at you work. I have work of my own to do, you heard me? So that's...
But you did admit in your papers that you're jealous of one of her co-workers. Is that not true?
No, I'm not. I wouldn't say jealous. See, what my wife has a power of doing, she loves to illuminate the reaction. You know, she'll have you saying, oh, he went around the world, did 300 cartwheels, but you ain't telling why I did it. No, why?
You say you lost that job because of him. Is that right?
Your Honor, he made me quit. He did not want me working there anymore.
Oh, my God.
Did he tell you why? Was it because of this coworker?
I think it was just because actually I was making more money than him. Technically. That's just my personal opinion, but he may have something completely different. But yeah.
Did you ask her to quit that job?
Nope. No, ma'am. No, Your Honor.
No problem, no issue,
I was so elated that she was actually working, you know. You couldn't be picking up cans. I was like, go pick up the cans, you know what I mean? Like, you know, 'cause I pay all the bills, like, you know what I mean? Like, I pay everything. You never paid a bill in 9 years, so of course.
So you were happy that she was contributing
Go pick up
finally.
cans if that's what you want.
Yeah, I got you. Now, Mr. Basin, you say that she has a family member who's always starting some stuff. And I want to know who that family member is and what kind of stuff she starts.
Out of all the rooms that she could have went to, she went to the room right next to where I was standing at. So when she slid the key, I just slid in front of her. I said, what you doing?
Did he catch you putting the key in a motel room at 5 o'clock in the morning?
But let me know in the comments below and tell me what you guys think of this case. Is Mr. Basin a creep? Or is his wife not telling the whole truth? Let me know in the comments below.
So I understand that Ms. Bright has a family member who calls you and tells you things. What kind of things do they tell you?
There's been 2 incidents where we met up and she discussed things that I felt like a family member shouldn't discuss with a non-family member.
Such as?
Where she was, who she was with, what she was doing. Oh, she lied to you, she wasn't over here. Let's take a picture and send it to her, type of stuff. So it's like, you know, it ain't the fact that I don't want you. I don't want that negative energy.
Right.
You know, because it transfers.
Yeah.
You know?
Do you believe that Ms. Bright is cheating on you?
Yeah.
Why do you believe that?
Because I don't caught it. I don't caught it.
Tell me what you've seen.
Well,
give me your best evidence.
So, one day I'm at the house, at our house, you know, the bills that I pay for.
Right.
And I'm sitting there in the house, I'm like, you know what? It's getting late. I go to sleep, 4:30 in the morning. I wake up, reach over, no one's there. Okay. Maybe she's fixing a snack, I don't know. So I get up and survey the house. There's no wife. Go outside, car's gone. Look in the backyard, both of my cars here, okay. So I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go for a walk. You know, I'm gonna walk.
At 4 o'clock in the morning?
4 o'clock, you know, when you gotta get it off, you just gotta get it off. So I just, you know what, I ain't gonna jump to a conclusion, I'm just gonna go for what, let me clear my mind, you know? So I'm walking, 5 miles down, I'm walking.
Exactly.
And I looked
Welcome to my world.
It's like someone was like, look.
You looked?
And I seen the back of her ponytail. She was in the back seat with 2 dudes in the car. So I'm like, look. I'm like, okay. And they weren't at no gas station, you heard me? They was at the motel. So I'm like, hold on. So me being me, I'm gonna go and catch your hand in the cookie jar. You heard me? I ain't even finna let you wipe your mouth and wipe the crumbs from your face. Nah, I'm gonna go and catch you in there.
So what did you do?
So I just, you know, got into my stalking stealth mode. What I did, you know, I went around the back way to the hotel.
Yeah.
And I came around so I could see where they're gonna park it. So I'm just sitting in the cut watching. They park. She come up the stairs, come all the way down. Now, you know, I don't know if it was the devil having jokes or God was just giving me a high five at that moment. But out of all the rooms that she could have went to, she went to the room right next to where I was standing at. So when she slid the key, I just slid in front of her. I said, what you doing? And she just like passed out, kind of like, you don't want to know? I said, come on, get it together.
Did he catch you putting the key in a motel room at 5 o'clock in the morning after getting out of the car with a couple of dudes? It was a pretty specific story.
Yes, but it was not like that.
Well, what was it like?
It was not like that.
What was that?
What was it like?
It was that.
Okay.
Oh, it was like that.
No, it was not. It was not. I was going to cheat. I'm admitting it. I was going to.
He just caught you too soon.
Absolutely.
Well, you know.
Even after.
Well,
I'm just being honest.
Hey.
You see what I'm saying? Because he saw you getting ready to cheat, and that's exactly what you were doing, getting ready to cheat.
I was going to, but it never happened.
That's because he was there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Standing at the door.
Yeah.
Looking right at you.
You would have thought she would have seen
Everything
Jesus
I do, he's right there, though.
Stop, man.
Yeah,
Not
but you
just
shouldn't be trying to go and sleep with other men.
Yeah.
Another man, this one.
But there was 2 in the car, so, you know, hey, just saying what I saw.
Well, I'm gonna catch my, I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna get my composure back. And then we'll talk about what else is happening at your house. You also say she's got a secret job. I've never heard of that before. What does that mean?
I don't know, it's a secret.
How would you feel if your partner showed up unannounced everywhere you went? Tell us what you think at Divorce Court.
Let me know in the comments below, how would you feel if your significant other just pull up to everywhere you at and without you knowing? Just let me know in the comments below.
Mr. Baisden, the bottom line is you believe that she's a serial cheater and has, in fact, worked as an escort. Why do you believe that?
You know, it's just things I've seen, you know. If it,
what have you seen?
I mean, if it barks and crawls and has fleas, it's not an elephant, you know, so. You know what I mean? So, I just seen different, you know.
Tell me what you've seen.
Well, I brought something, you know.
So what am I looking at?
You tell me.
No, you tell me. What am I looking at?
That's what I seen.
This is what you saw.
Yeah, like a plethora of cheating things going.
So I know this website.
Yeah.
And I know what they do on it. How do I know this is her?
Well, I know it was her because I took the picture.
Off of her. Show Ms. Bright what he's talking about here.
I'm pretty sure he posted it on Facebook. I know.
Oh, he's already posted it?
Yeah.
Yes. On Facebook.
Is that your information? Is that your financial transactions?
That's a different.
Oh, actually,
This is new.
it's my card that's being used, but it's not me.
So somebody else is using your card.
I allowed someone else because they did not have a card.
And see, that's the thing.
And this is actually from years back before cards were so adamant.
And that's the thing, you know.
Absolutely.
Let me see it again, Nick.
That's what I got. Her friends was doing. You were assisting your friends.
You also say she's got a secret job. I've never heard of that before. What does that mean?
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
Mr. Bright, what do you have to say about the secret job?
My secret job is actually a job that actually pays and is legal, but I do not tell him because of the fact of he's a stalker.
Like, oh my God.
Why would I tell him my workplace for him to be at my job waiting when I get off or follow me around? Mm-hmm. I prefer peace and calm.
So you won't let him know where you're working?
No, absolutely not. It's best that way.
And I don't.
Because he keeps popping up on you.
Absolutely.
Your Honor, I do
he
not
just
pop
was at
up
my other
anywhere.
job and sent a picture of the front.
That was not your picture. Come on.
That was my job.
That was where job? Outside? So you work outside?
You took a picture when you were outside.
Oh my God. The fabrications just don't.
Now, Ms. Bright, I don't believe that you gave your card to somebody else to engage in this business.
I was there with them and I allowed them to use it. You're absolutely right.
For that?
Yeah. That's the thing where I was talking about the dog, the fleas, and.
I understand contribute if somebody don't have rent, if somebody needs gas money, somebody needs to borrow your car.
It's not my money that was being spent.
Whose money was it?
Hers.
But she was using your card to do it.
Yes, because she didn't have a card.
And so.
Cap!
I don't mind. Like,
Cap!
I'm that type of friend. Like, seriously. Like, if anybody asks me for help, I don't mind helping them. Except for Charlie, though.
Am I tripping? But is Miss Bright is the one that's doing stuff shady and making this man look crazy? Comment down below. Comment down below and let me know and tell me.
Like, I'm not willing to help him.
She doesn't help me. She never helps me. She never paid a water bill. You know the water bill is like the water bill and Wi-Fi is like the cheapest bill in the world.
I'm not gonna pay it.
Never pay it. But yet you stay.
We don't live together. There's no reason for me to help pay his bills. I pay bills where I stay.
You know?
But you don't pay bills where he stays because you don't stay there.
Absolutely.
I gotcha. I see where we are. Don't like it, but I see. Is it ever okay to keep your job secret from your partner? Share your opinion.
Hell no, it's not okay. No, how am I supposed to know if something like say if my child's mom, right, got a job and she took our son with her. I'm supposed to know where you at, where you work at. You know where I work at. And also, how am I supposed to know if you're not in danger? She's in the wrong. She's in the wrong. She's in the wrong, and it's like, how is he supposed to protect his wife without no knowledge or recollection of where she work at? You know, you doing stuff secrecy. But let me know in the comments below and tell me, does your spouse tell you where they work at? Let me know in the comments below.
And on Twitter and Instagram at Divorce Court. Divorce Court will be right back.
I know I'm going to kick myself for doing it, but I'm going to do it anyway. What is the reason you're referring to why she never got a ring?
Well, Your Honor, when we first got married, I was kind of like, I didn't have no money. I'm just going to be real. I ain't have no money. I ain't have enough money to give her a ring. I felt like, you know, she should have, you know what I mean? But then when I started getting to the money, it was all this stuff I'm finding. It was all this stuff that happened in between. I'm like, man.
Because you thought she was creeping all along.
Nah.
Ms. Bright?
And then she couldn't even give me a ring. Like, I supposed to buy both our rings, too? Nah.
Mrs. Bright, you have a response to that?
Absolutely.
Please.
He thought I was creeping because he was creeping.
Oh, God.
Absolutely.
What proof do you have that he was creeping?
Well, Your Honor, we've been together almost 9 years. I've only been in his phone 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like he'll leave me $3 or $4 when he go to work.
He's only called you 4 times in 9 years?
I've only been in his phone, like literally, like.
Been in it, looking at it.
Yes. So I decided to go in after a couple years and realize he's had a relationship over 3 years with this one female. He was in love, but when I said something to him, I was just telling her that.
It was a
Mr.
work,
Baisden,
it
did
was
that
a
happen?
work relationship.
That you told her you were in love with her?
No, I didn't tell her I was in love with her.
Well, what is she referring to?
In love, I love you. I'm in love with you. That's 2 different things, you heard me? I love y'all. That's love. You know what I mean? You know?
Mr. Baisden,
They're keeping it real.
the world does need more love.
They really
I will
do.
give you that. The world needs more love and
y'all.
kindness and big-heartedness
All that.
and humanity and all that. But all I think y'all doing is more sex. Having said that, I will say this. You're funny, so I ain't gonna get mad. All I'm gonna say is no matter what you do, love that baby. And I always allow the other one to see the baby and no fighting and carrying on. And if the marriage is over, let it be over. You with me?
I'm with you.
This matter is adjourned.
Do you believe these accusations that you're making? I mean, do you think she's doing all this
Oh, no,
stuff?
they're not accusations. No, they're facts. If it growls and has fleas, it's not an elephant.
I know. All right,
An elephant.
all right. The accusation that you're an escort is pretty ridiculous. I mean,
Absolutely.
do you think he truly believes these things?
He truly thinks he loves me.
You don't think he does?
No.
Are you through? Are you finished here?
If he stops stalking me, which is not gonna happen.
Well, y'all, I pray that y'all really, really, really enjoyed this reaction. I ain't gonna lie, they funny as hell. Funny as hell. But I really do wish them well. You know, and both of them just crazy. But, you know, love is love. I just think that they just really, really love each other. And would I do that? Hell no. No. But just let me know in the comments below and tell me what you guys think about this whole situation about Miss Bright and Mr. Brayson. Just let me know in the comments below. I love you guys. God bless you. Have a smile upon you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please keep your post notifications on to that vibrating symbol so each and every one of you can be notified every time I upload a new reaction video. I love you guys. God bless you. And have a smile upon you. Peace.